So look at this beautiful notebook I created. Well, I got the notebook from the Plant Life Journey Retreat, and I've been using it to add additional recipes from other places. And this actually was a menu I had videotaped when I was in Asheville, North Carolina, which was right after the retreat. And I found this wonderful restaurant, and I decided to keep this, and maybe I can replicate some of these bowls. Let's see, so we've got all these recipes from the retreat that I was on, and then, so I just organized them because I had them all out because I had been doing a lot of cooking with them. And now to go towards the end, then I found additional recipes on their website, which was this one. I think I did a couple videos on this one. And then this I think came off of Well Your World. And then this one, I don't think I've done this one yet, but it looks good. And this came off of, what this came off of? It doesn't say, I don't see, but it was another website like Easy Vegan or something like that. Oh, here, what's this say? Find it online, monkey kitchen, vegan, I don't know. So I find things, there's so many things online. So I found other recipes that I printed off the computer and put in this notebook. Oh, my friend made these for my birthday party. They are so good. So she sent me this recipe. I don't know where she got it. I forget. And let's see. And then this is recipes from the cooking class I took with Debbie Waddell. Nice recipes. And this one came from Easy Vegan Meal Plan. These are my notes from the cooking class. Yes, I can't read them either. And I don't even know where this came from, but looks good. And this is the triple griddle that everyone loves, and I bring this to all the parties. And this is from the Plant New Cookbook. And this is from a pamphlet from the, where is it? Usually they have them PR from the Physicians Committee. I gotta join that Facebook page. So there were some nice recipes in this booklet. And it goes on and on and on. So trying to be organized on Jacki's Whole Food Plant-Based Journey.